Opening shot of a beautiful RV and a shiny car parked side by side, hook. Hey there, fellow road warriors. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for all RV and car owners, protecting your beloved vehicles from the harsh elements. Let's talk about the best ways to keep your rides looking sharp and running smoothly. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for maintaining and enhancing your vehicles. In this video, we're focusing on the use of covers and other methods to shield your RVs and cars from potential damage. Let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. As RV and car enthusiasts, we know the struggle of maintaining the exterior of our vehicles. From relentless UV rays to unpredictable weather conditions and pesky debris, there are plenty of challenges that can take a toll on our ride's appearance and functionality. Exploration/development. Now, let's explore the wide range of covers available for RVs and cars. Whether you're looking for a durable all-weather cover or a specific size and fit for your vehicle, there are options to suit every need. From lightweight materials to heavy-duty protection, these covers come with a variety of features to ensure your vehicle stays safe and secure. Climax/key moment. The key benefits of using quality covers cannot be overstated. Not only do they provide protection from harmful UV rays that can fade paint and interiors, but they also shield your vehicles from rain, snow, and debris that can cause damage over time. Investing in a reliable cover is like giving your RV and car a shield of armor against the elements. Conclusion/summary. In conclusion, investing in high-quality covers for your RVs and cars is a smart decision to prolong their lifespan and maintain their appearance. By taking proactive steps to protect your vehicles, you're not only preserving their value but also ensuring that you can enjoy them for years to come. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on vehicle maintenance. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the best ways to protect RVs and cars, so drop a comment below. And remember, keep cruising in style and safety.